Hey everybody, this is just kind of a PSA that there is a canned beef recall. So you need to go through your canned roast beef products. I will put the link down below to the items affected by the recall. There's 525,000 pounds of roast beef that is being recalled for lead poisoning or lead levels in the product. Apparently, it's a seasoning that was purchased from somewhere. So, yeah, I will let you all know down below the article, or I'll post the article, not let you know, but I will post the article down below so you can be aware of the situation and pull those products off your shelves. Take care, stay safe, stay healthy.